In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download all OneDrive files to my PC. We're going to keep this simple and reliable. The goal is to select everything in your OneDrive and download it in one go, so you have a complete copy on your computer. You can do this from the OneDrive website in your browser or from the OneDrive app. Either way, the process is the same and only takes a few clicks. Start by opening OneDrive and going to the My Files area. This is the main view that shows all your folders and documents. Think of it like the root of your cloud drive. Make sure you're actually in My Files, not in Recent or Shared, so you're looking at the full contents you own. Next, select everything you want to download. The fastest way is to press Ctrl+A on your keyboard to select all items currently visible. If you're on a Mac keyboard, use Command+A. You should see all folders and files become highlighted, which means they're ready to go. If there are items you don't want, you can hold Ctrl or Command and click once on those to deselect them, but most of the time you'll want the entire library. With everything selected, look for the download option in the toolbar at the top. Click Download. OneDrive will immediately start preparing your files. Behind the scenes, it compresses everything into a single zip file. This keeps your existing folder structure intact and bundles everything, so you only have to download one file. Depending on how much data you have and the speed of your internet connection, this step can take a while. That's normal. Keep your browser or app window open, make sure your device doesn't go to sleep, and try to stay on a stable connection. Also ensure you have enough free space on your computer to store the finished zip file. If you're downloading many gigabytes, it's worth plugging in your laptop and closing other heavy downloads to keep things smooth. When the zip is ready, your browser will start downloading it, usually to your default downloads folder unless you've chosen a different location. You'll see a progress indicator from your browser so you can monitor the transfer. If you don't see a download start, check for any pop-up blocker notifications or messages at the top of the window asking permission to download multiple files and allow them. That's all there is to it. Open OneDrive, go to My Files, select everything with a quick keyboard shortcut. Click Download and let OneDrive package it up. You'll end up with a single zip file on your computer that contains your entire OneDrive library ready to store, move, or back up wherever you need.